Hi guys, welcome to Success Corner. We are here with daily chemistry MCQs. From today onwards, we will be starting some of the most important chapters, that is chemical kinetics, which I'll complete today. And then we'll move on to chemical equilibrium. These are very important chapters, so don't forget to do these MCQs daily. And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Question 1. For the reaction 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2, the rate of formation of O2 is 0.032 grams per hour. Then rate of conversion of N2O5 in grams per hour is. Now we know that the reaction is half d by dt N2O5 is equal to dO2 by dt. So therefore we can say that dN2O5 by dt is equal to twice 0.032 by 32 mole per hour. So therefore dN2O5 by dt will be equal to 0.002 into the molar mass, that is 108. So it will be equal to 0.216 gram per hour. So the correct answer will be option 1. Question 2. Decomposition reaction of N2O5 follows first order and is written as. So the reaction is given 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2. Rate is equal to K into concentration of N2O5. And N2O5 gas gives 2NO2 plus O2. Rate is equal to K dash into concentration of N2O5. Now, which of the following relations is true? So we know that minus d by dt N2O5 is equal to K dash into concentration of N2O5, and minus 1 by 2 d by dt N2O5 is equal to K into the concentration of N2O5. Now from these two relations, when we take the ratio, we get that K dash is equal to 2K. So the correct answer will be option 4. Question 3. The mechanism of the reaction 2NO2 plus F2 gives 2NO2F. So the mechanism is given. So it follows as NO2 it is a slow step gives NO plus O. Then F2 plus O plus NO, it is a fast step, gives NO2F plus F. And then F plus NO2 gives NO2F. This is also a fast step. So we have to select the correct answer. So as you can see that reaction is zero order with respect to F, because in the slow step there is no involvement of F2. Therefore, it will be zero order with respect to F2. So the correct answer will be option 3. Question 4. If the slope of a line of the graph between time given in hours and concentration of formed product for zero order reaction is 0.2, then what will be the initial concentration of the reactant in mole liter inverse if after 30 minutes its concentration is 0.05 mole liter inverse? Now for zero order reaction, we know that AT is equal to A0 minus KT. We know AT and we know K, and we also know time, but we have to convert 30 minutes into hours. So when we solve this for A0, we get A0 is equal to 0.15. So the correct answer will be option 2. Question 5. At 300 Kelvin, the half-life of a sample of a gaseous compound initially at 1 atm is 100 seconds. When the pressure is 0.5 atm, the half-life is 50 seconds. The order of the reaction of the compound is. Now we can directly see that the half-life is directly proportional to the pressure, or we can also say concentration in this case. Therefore, it is a zero order reaction. So the correct answer will be option 1. Question 6. A first order reaction is 50% completed in 20 minutes at 27 degrees and in 5 minutes at 47 degrees. The energy of activation for the reaction is, now we know that log K2 by K1 is equal to activation energy divided by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. So you know K2, you know K1. So we have to find EA. When we substitute the values, we also know the two temperatures. So when we substitute, we get EA is equal to 2.303 into 8.314 into 300 into 320. We have to convert the temperature into Kelvin divided by 20 into log 4 by 1. So you get activation energy equal to 55.32 kilojoules per mole. So the correct answer will be option 2. Question 7. The rate of reaction is expressed in different ways as follows. So the different rate of reactions is given and we have to tell the rate, the reaction is, we have to tell the reaction. So the rate of reaction which have the negative sign will be the reactants and which have a positive sign will be the product. So we can see that B and D have negative signs, so they will be reactant, and A and C will be the products. Now as it is 1 by 3D, therefore in the reaction it will become B plus 3D, and as it is 1 by 4A and 1 by 2C, it will become 4A plus 2C. So the correct answer here will be option 2. B plus 3D gives 4A plus 2C. Question 8. For the reaction 2A gives B plus 3C, if minus dA by dt is equal to K1A square, dB by dt is equal to K2A square, and dC by d3 is equal to K3A square, correct relation between K1, K2 and K3 is. Now we know that for rate of reactions, minus 1 by 2 dA by dt is equal to dB by dt, and it is also equal to 1 by 3 dC by dt. We get this from the reaction. So we can write this in the form of K's. So we get 1 by 2 K1 A square is equal to K2 A square, and that is equal to 1 by 3 K3 A square. So we get the relation K1 by 2 is equal to K2 is equal to K3 by 2. So the correct answer becomes option 4. Question 9. For A plus B gives C, rate is equal to K A to the power 1 by 2, B to the power 2. If initial concentration of A and B are increased by factor of 4 and 2 respectively, then the initial rate is changed by the factor of. So you have to just replace A by 4A and B by 2B. So initially R was equal to K A to the power 1 by 2, B to the power 2. So now R dash will become K into 4A to the power 1 by 2 into 2B to the power 2. So when you open the brackets, so you get 8R. So the correct answer will be option 3. Question 10. The reaction 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2 is of first order. If volume of reaction vessel is reduced to 1 by 3, the rate of reaction would be. Now you know that if you reduce the volume, the concentration, if you reduce the volume by 1 by 3, the concentration will become 3 times. And as it is a first order reaction, the rate will also become 3 times. So the correct answer will be option 3. These were today's 10 MCQs. Next time we'll also start with equilibrium, and after that we'll do ionic equilibrium. These are important chapters, so don't forget to watch these videos. And I hope you like this video as well, so please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you guys.